everybody, my name is Leia Binghui, but today I will be talking about a really important problem in the world right now. Electro smog or pop electronic pollution. Well, did you ever wonder in your life that maybe I'm using too much electro? And if you ever think about that, then congratulations, because today's video will explain all of them to you. Thousands of studies about possible dangers illustrated that it's still seen as a very real threat, that these electronic smoke could harm us. In electronic, there are radios, and those radios can come from harming to usual. So does those really harm us? In the past, in about the 1980s, there are a group of persons that have pointed out that electronic harm us and it could bring us to censor. But soon that finding has suddenly been uncredited because it is not true at all and nobody believes on it. But still, from that paragraph, it makes thousands of scientists to study more about this topic, and thousands of studies about possible dangers illustrate that it's still seen as a very real threat. It can happen at any time. A lot of people claim to be sensitive to the radiation coming from opposites and cell phone. They are really sensitive to the radiation and also have bad feelings and bad symptoms about these. Like they could have a headache, nausea, having a skin problem, hurting their eyes, or being exhausted. Well, those can happen at any time when they use those appliances and cell phones, and they've repeated it. And a lot of other kinds of problems. Some people have pointed out that these electronic could also bring us a lot of health problems. But while that, some other news says that cell phones save your life. But suddenly, one time the World Health Organization or the WHO have shown out that there is a chance, just a chance, that these could harm us. But still, they haven't found out yet, or the study is not clear yet. So, after all of that, should you worry about the radiation from your laptop, cell phone, TV, PC, iPad, iPods, and a lot of other things? The answer is no. No, you shouldn't. Research shows that the people who say that it is harming them could be experiencing what's known as the nocebo effect. And if you're a usual person, you must know that there are no clear study about this topic yet, so we doesn't need to worry at all. Plus, there's a really small chance of it happening yet. And also, there's no scientists that have proved out really what is about this topic. But if there's people who seriously take this problem, then remember, it's kinda easy to just defend them, but be sure to give them hope and just try to think with them and explain with them about this topic, and says that it also depends on different people too. But let's just say that electro smoke is a really important topic these days, and a lot of people are continuing searching on it. Well, there are a lot of other kinds of population too. Well, that is all for today. Electro smoke are really important kind of pop of pollution that really needs to be solved. But remember, you doesn't really need to worry about the radiation from your devices yet. Wait until there's somebody who responds about this topic that is clearly not, so that you can believe at them. And remember that today we've talked about electro smoke. Electronic always contain bad or good radiations inside them, and it could change at any time and any place. And nearly every time around you, they would be affected in you. But it doesn't really matter if you're a person to use electronic in a good way. So it also depends on what kind you use it. Maybe I suggested you using your TV less, watch less films, and continue to have a usual life without using a lot of electronic. And that is some way that you could save yourself and save the world. Goodbye.